Hi, welcome to Life Preparations with Doctors, and I'm here to invite you for a program tagged Children's Prayer Team 2025, where the children will be praying by themselves and for themselves. The date is 1st of February 2025, and the time is 9 a.m. The venue is Christian Teaching Center, plot 126 off Balakuna Street, after the Kado Market Life Camp Extension, Abuja, Nigeria. It will also be streaming on YouTube at Life Preparations with Doctors and on Facebook at Life Preparations. We invite all parents to be there and to stay to the end of the program so that you can be an encouragement to your children while they pray. Also, all parents in waiting, uncles, aunties, as far as you have children around you, please come. Let's put hands together and pray. See you there. Me setting up my manger. You remember the manger in which Jesus Christ was born in the city of Bethlehem. So I made sure I got this wooden manger. I got this like since October, the month of October, and I'm just setting it up for Christmas. I want my children to know about the manger, not just about Santa Claus, but that they know about the manger where Jesus Christ was born. A lot of the children these days are born in hospitals, but that was not the case with the Messiah. So I have got this wooden manger. I'm trying to decorate it and get a good length, because I want to cover the down part now of the manger, so that it looks really nice and presentable. Okay, so that's what you can see me bending down. Now I want to cover it with a blanket. So by the way, this is a very nice shawl my mom gave to me some years before I had my children, and there's a history to it. She said that is a shawl she used for me as a baby. So it means that this child is almost 40 years old. Ha ha ha. So I decided to use this as a pillow so that we can put baby Jesus. Now, when I ordered for the manger, it came with this, which I didn't like, and I really wanted to return it. But I think the person wasn't just having it. So I'm deciding, should I use my red teddy my husband gave to me some years ago as a Valentine gift, or use this baby that came with the manger? So I think I just go with my teddy. It has I love you on it. And Jesus Christ is saying to you, I love you. Yeah. So baby Jesus is lying down with his nice heart, looking all good. Okay. And this is a flannel. I used one as pillow for the twins. So I use this flannel for my children. And I'm trying to decide, should I use the colored side or use this other side? I thought to use the other side. I had some that were white. I don't know why I didn't use them, but oh well, I think maybe because I like colors. So we are wrapping Jesus in swaddling clothes, right? And he was laid in a manger, right? So we swaddle, we wrap Jesus nicely. Baby Jesus is lying down nicely, and we have named him already. His name is Christ. See his nice happy birthday balloon. Wow, happy birthday, Jesus. We're so proud of you. Thank you for coming to save us from all our mess. You see, Jesus Christ is lying down nicely, having a good rest in his manger. Isn't this lovely? I totally love this. It is nice. See, it is written Christ. Christ. Yeah, and this was the process of, blowing the balloon for the happy birthday.
All right. It took a while. So it's one of the DIYs I keep talking about. I just bought it. It has a straw. So I just use the straw to blow and blow and blow. See how colorful this balloon is. Jesus brings colors into our lives. It's so beautiful. Jesus is the color man. There's a song we used to sing. He's a color man. And yeah, finally, I've been able to blow my balloon. It was a bit slow, and I was wondering, okay, do I know what I'm doing? Early in the morning, around past 5. But it's good. Looking nice and colorful. And my prayer is that God colors your life this Christmas. And as a Nigerian mother that I am, I didn't trust the parts of that thing being gummed together. I decided to use a sellotape. I do not want stories that touch. So sellotape to the rescue. And you remember when I talked about getting stuff that you need, things like sellotape, things like masking tape, when you're doing your DIYs, just put those on your fridge as a checklist. It helps you because these small things can really, really be important and simple, but they are a must have. And yay, that was how we were able to get our balloon up and put it up for baby Jesus. So this was the process of getting the balloon to stay close to the owner of the balloon, Jesus Christ. Happy birthday, Jesus, and Merry Christmas to you. You are the reason why we can decorate our houses so beautifully, and you bring so much joy to our hearts. So this was how I got the Christ. I got this and I thought it was just Christmas written on it. When I opened it, I saw that it was really long, like it spelled Merry Christmas. And my manger is so small, it wasn't going to take everything. As a Nigerian mother that I am, my mother says we should always use our head. So I decided to take out the Mary, Merry, and then I took out the MAS, the mass, and I left Christ. Oh, I've not told you guys about my Christmas tree, yeah? So, like I said, you can always reuse things. This is one of the people that helped me take care of the children in the house, helping me to set up the Christmas tree. So I am reusing my Christmas tree. Yep, I am reusing my Christmas tree. We actually kept it in a bag. So it's just a matter of removing it and arranging it one step after the other. You open it up. Oh, by the way, this is outside. While that was happening inside, a group of different people were helping me do the outside, and my flowers are so happy to have Christmas lights. Beautiful, beautiful Christmas lights. It's so beautiful to just sit down and look at the Christmas lights. Check out this natural Christmas tree, well decorated. One of our beautiful aunties, Auntie Yetunde, did that for us. And we are grateful. Did you see our basketball with my son? Beautiful. Just look at this. Simple but beautiful. Simple but beautiful. Like, can you see? We're not joking. We are taking this Christmas thing seriously because Jesus Christ took it seriously to come into the world for us. So we are not kidding. Yep, we are not kidding about this Christmas. All right, so back to the decoration. So this is the lights. Yeah, like I said, as this process was happening inside, another is happening outside. Of course, that was not me. Ha ha ha. All right, even in the house, I have two people helping me with the lights. So, like I said, I am reusing my Christmas tree. I am reusing my lights, the Christmas balls, the decoration. I am reusing all of them. Yes, everything is being reused. I think the only new thing I bought this year was the manger. But our Christmas hats, our Christmas deco, and most of it is being reused, and they're so colorful and beautiful. So that's why I keep saying Christmas should not be stressful. You can always reuse what you have. DIY some things, do it yourself. You must not buy. If you're good with crafts, or you have a friend or a sibling who is good with things like this, then it is important that you just go with it. You know, let your brother help you, stick around and be of help, and have a fantastic Christmas. Come on, look at my Christmas tree coming up already. Yes, so we're here to put the star on top. Um, so many other things that we have not put as at the time this video was taken, but it looks really amazing. Simple but amazing. Okay, isn't this lovely? Christmas is a beautiful time. Make sure that you make it beautiful for someone. That is what Jesus Christ does. Yeah, manger, check. Christmas tree, check. Outside, check. Thank you for watching.